Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to another video of high heels designing. So how are you friends? I hope you all are fine and doing well in today. I'm going to share with you the most stunning and elegant ideas of high heels. I most suggest you to don't miss out the designing and watch the video till the end for more ideas and more collection of high heels. You can wear these high heels for party wear and office wear and formal wear events. Stiletto high heels gives the most classic and iconic looks and makes you look confident. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Do like my video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep visiting my channel for more ideas of women's fashion and style. A beautiful and so very nice with those stiletto high heels. So goodbye dear friends. Till the next video. See you soon.